So the last question is doing some long division, and there'll be different methods of doing the long division. So let's start with the traditional long division method. So we write out all of this, and we're dividing it by x squared minus x minus 6. And you say to yourself, how many x squareds are there in x cubed? And you know there's x of them. So we times this whole thing by x, and then we take it away. That take away that cancels out, that's why we did it. Minus 2x squared minus minus, so now there's only minus one of them. Minus 4 minus minus, so now there's two of them. And bring down the 13 as well. And now repeat the process. How many of these are there in this? Well, it's minus one of them. Minus one of this would give you minus x squared plus x plus 6. See what's left. That cancels out, that's why we did it. 2x's take away x is x, and 13 take away 6 is 7. So the answer is x minus 1 plus x plus 7 over the quadratic. If you want to see it as a box, I can do that as well. And so if we've got a box method here, we're dividing by x squared minus x minus 6. And we start by saying, what do we times x squared by to get the x cubed again? Of course, we're going to times it by x, and then we multiply through. Notice this line here is exactly the same as what we were doing here. Now the next thing we want is minus 2x squareds. We've only got minus one of them so far, so we need another one, a minus x squared here. To get that there, we need to times by a minus 1. And now multiply through by the minus 1. Notice this is the same as this line here. And what have we got? So the x cubes are fixed, the x squareds are fixed. X's, we've got minus 5 of them so far here. We want minus 4 of them. So we're going to have to add another x. And we want 13. We've currently got 6. We need another 7. So this is the part we've got there, and this is the part we've got there as well. I mean, there's even another way of doing it when you multiply this up and you start having ax times by the quadratic plus b times by plus cx plus d, and you go along a similar lines as we did in the partial fractions earlier. I think this takes a bit too long, really, when actually the divide is quite okay. It's a first year question, really. If you need any help with that one, it's exercise 1F, and I've done videos for all of that exercise.